Are you struggling to keep your projects on track? Let's talk about the project control process. The project control process is a series of steps that help you stay on top of your project goals. Step 1. Define the project scope and objectives. Step 2. Develop a detailed project plan with timelines and milestones. Step 3. Monitor progress against the plan and adjust as necessary. Step 4. Close out the project and evaluate its success. Now let's talk about the 5 project controls. The 5 project controls are: 1. Scope control. 2. Time control. 3. Cost control. 4. Quality control. 5. Risk control. Finally, let's discuss the 5 steps in the control process of project management. Step 1. Set a baseline plan. Step 2. Monitor performance against the plan. Step 3. Compare actual performance to the baseline plan. Step 4. Analyze variances and determine corrective action. Step 5. Adjust the plan and re-baseline if necessary. That's it.